Hello everyone, it's me, Skywatch here, and welcome to the Rainy Day Collection Cosmetic Case unboxing thing. So I only got one of these crates because, to be honest, if you look at these cosmetics, except for a few of them, they're not really that good looking. At least in my opinion. I mean, there's a few I like, but the rest of them, like that literally just looks like a remake of that one Pyro that I don't really like. But yeah, I mean, there's some cool hats. So I'm just gonna unbox one, see what bad item I get. So yeah, got the crate, awesome. Now let's see what crap I get. Oh look, I got a... what is this? Well, let's see, is this good looking? Yeah. Not really. Oh shoot, I already clicked that. Sniper. Nah. Is it a heavy item? Okay, sure, I guess heavy looks okay. It looks pretty decent on heavy. Sure. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this short, boring video of me unboxing nothing cool. Goodbye.